Hey everybody, it's Nate Scott from Windermere North Sound, sitting here in beautiful Old Town Anacortes, and I am sitting on a completely refurbished bench, of which there are 11 in Old Town Anacortes. Well, there's actually 13, but 11 are refurbished. Every year, Windermere Real Estate has a community service day. This last Friday was ours, and the agents in our Anacortes office got together and stained and refurbished 11 of these benches downtown, so those visiting Old Town Anacortes can have a place to sit, a nice place to sit. The old wood was getting kind of ratty, and I wanted to thank a couple people for contributions. First of all, Randy Burgess at Ace Hardware. Probably 5 or 6 out of the last 20 or 23 community service days that I've been involved with here in Anacortes, Randy and Ace Hardware have donated goods to our cause. So thank you, Randy, for always saying yes to that. You're an awesome part of our community. I also wanted to thank Frontier Building Supply and Shannon Hartley, the manager here in Anacortes. They donated all of the wood for this. Randy donated the stain and the brushes, and then the Windermere agents here in town put in the work. But I don't know if you know the price of cedar these days, but every bench has 3 2x8s and 1 2x4. They're all 6 feet long, so that is a ton of cedar, and that is just an enormous donation from Frontier Building Supply. So if you need any wood or building supplies, go see them at Frontier. If you need any other hardware type stuff, go see Randy and Ace Hardware. They are just phenomenal people and companies here in our little Anacortes town. Thanks for watching, and go check out all the new benches in downtown Anacortes. Appreciate you guys.